Yeah.
The following text both describe getting shot.
Shots.
At the doctor's office. This text is told from the point of view of Todd.
I don't know how to say Tari. Tori or Tari. I don't know.
Read one more. You have
Tori.
Tari.
Tori.
Tari. Tari is a Japanese name, I think. Tari. Okay, this text is told from the point of view of...
Konnichiwa, Asuka Sensei desu. Hi, I'm Asuka Sensei, your Japanese teacher. Today I'm talking about katakana. Yes, katakana is a bit difficult to learn, don't you think? Because
Because I'm
Tari. Okay, Tari. Okay, this text is told from the point of view of Tari.
a young parent.
Patient
going to the doctor. I had to go to the doctor's office and get a shot, even though the nurse let me hold her hand. There was nothing that could make the experience
good.
less painful.
Good.
Painful. I didn't care what that treat.
Yeah, trick or treat. Treat. Okay,
Treat.
what the treat?
They offered me the best reward would be no shot at all.
Okay.
This text is from the handout.
Good.
About
Vaccination.
vaccination.
Okay, handout. I show you. Yeah, you correctly pronounce it. Okay, what is handout? Yeah, usually the teacher give you a piece of paper, right? The handout, those things. Okay, handout. Maybe do you remember this? Louder. Louder, say it. Okay.
Unwise. Unwise.
Unwise. It means not wise.
Not wise, okay? Foolish.
Unwise.
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 Foolish.
Okay.
Yes.
Stupid.
And you.
Handout.
Handout.
No, they say so.
Handout.
Can't spell it.
Handout. Handout.
Okay, a folder or circle of information for free distribution.
Handout.
Okay, this kind of thing. You see, they give the handout like that. Okay, what is another word? Vaccination. Okay, get a vaccine. Right? No. get for example, get a flu shot. You see, get a shot.
Get a shot.
So you don't get sick. Okay. The vaccination.
You
What's that?
hand out.
Handout.
Hand out.
Handout.
Hand out.
Handout.
Hand out. You won't.
Vaccination.
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 Vaccination. The art
The act.
of
Vaccinating.
Vaccination.
Vaccination.
Can spell it?
Vaccination. Vaccination.
Okay.
Now.
Okay.
Never.
No. Vaccination. Okay. Vaccination. I got a shot. That's vaccination. You see? It's not painful. Okay. Okay. So the text is from a handout about
Vaccination and parents
Good.
should make sure children get their vaccination at vaccinations all at the right time. The
shots.
are
Pleasant.
pleasant,
It's not making people happy. Okay.
but they protect
Good.
children from diseases
Good.
like
Numbs. Okay. Numbs.
this
Yeah, look at that. Yeah, you see, this becomes very big. You see this side.
your
Okay,
bums
that's numbs.
is your other
What's that?
vaccination.
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 Okay. Num.
Mumps.
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 Okay, can spell.
MUMPS. Mumps.
Mumps.
Mumps.
Mumps is a disease. Make people, you see, these are very big, right? That's mumps. Look, mumps. Okay. So if you got a vaccination, you wouldn't get this. That's mumps. And measles. Okay. The product from these like mumps and the measles. You see? That's measles. Yeah. Look. Measles. It's also a disease. What's that?
Mumps.
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 Measles.
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 Yeah.
MEASLES. Measles.
It's a kind of disease. Okay. Okay.
A disease that.
A disease.
A disease
A
that.
disease
Disease. A disease that
causes
a
fever and
red spots and on the skin.
okay.
Measles.
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 Okay, look like that. Okay, measles. So, no. But they protect the children from diseases like
Mumps and measles. Saying.
staying.
Stay healthy makes that tiny needle
Worth a while. Worthwhile. Worthwhile. Worthwhile means you yeah, worthwhile. Worthwhile. How should I say? So you. Okay, what's that?
reason Measles.
Measles. Measles. Measles.
A disease that
Causes
causes
fever.
fever and red spots on the skin.
Okay. Worthwhile is adjective. It's worthwhile to do something.
Worthwhile.
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 Yeah.
Adjective. Worth doing or getting.
Okay. Yeah.
The trip was worthwhile.
Yeah, the trip make you tired, but the view is so beautiful, so that it's worthwhile.
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 Can spell it.
WORTHWHILE. Worthwhile.
Worthwhile.
See?
Is it worthwhile to try to fix my computer?
Okay, is it worthwhile to do something? Worthy.
Worthy.
Okay, worthy. Okay. Staying healthy makes that tiny needle.
Worthwhile.
Okay.
The is the help hand out others point of point of view different from
Terrace. Okay.
the other hand out adults the hand out other describes how important the shots are. The handout others describes how to give a shot.
Okay, so which
Give.
one? So which one is your answer? Okay.
This one,
Which one? Okay.
submit.
Yeah. Okay, let's read it this one.
The following text both describes touching
Good.
see animals at
Up there. Keep going. No, you need to keep going. You need to focus.
an aquarium.
Good. Aquarium. Remember we went to the aquarium, right? Good job. Aquarium. Yeah, in the aquarium you see the seal, shark. Yeah, that's aquarium. Good job. Okay.
The text is told from the point of view.
Austin. I don't think we needed aquarium. Good job. Mitsuna. Okay.
A kid who visited the aquarium.
Okay. We probably should stop here.
The following pronunciation is brought to you by Pronounce Name.